Di ko alam kung anong pipiliin ko, guys. Parating pa naman yan. Ito maganda rin siya to, guys. Pero plant lang. Gusto ko may flower. I like flower, guys. Ito purple. Ito purple na lang. Ilagay ko sa middle. Purple siya eh. Natin na. Purple siya, guys. Purple. So, tatlo yung basket ko, guys. Ayan. Ayan siya yung binili ko. So, maglibot tayo muna dito, guys. Oh, maganda yung nakuha ng lalaki, oh. Marunong siyang pumili. Yung hanging basket, guys. Panghanging. I don't know where's the panghanging. Hanging beds here.
If you can't find ones you like, go to Hillside.
Huh?
If you can't find ones you like, go to
Like hanging like that? This is the hanging here?
These are popular here.
Ah, this is hanging here? No, that is the one you put in the middle?
Yes.
I have already put in the middle. The one put hanging.
If you can't find the hanging ones, then go to Hillside.
I think this one can hanging. This one, yeah, look.
They have the hanging ones.
This one.
Yeah. They have the hanging ones at the front door.
Where?
As you come in the front door.
This one all. Give me my trolley, darling ko, please.
I was going to get you some soil
Yeah, get the soil first then.
before you put.
No, this one, I like to. This one to. Blooming Joy, sabi niya. Sabi niya. Ito. Ikaw naman ang magbabayad, hindi ako eh. Sabi ko. Siya naman ang magbabayad, guys, hindi ako. Siya ang magbabayad. Ito may purple. Of course, the purple. Miguel out, share out. Ayan, 20% off yung mga hanging basket nila dito, guys. Ito, hanging din to siguro. Hanging. Ayan, Miguel out, share out. So, ito rin maganda siya, guys. Maganda rin to mga to. Banga yung mga planta tita. Ito maganda rin siya. Ito yung mga bulaklak niya. At ito, maganda. Thank you so much for watching.